Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming where the contact might exist and opening the fastest recovery path. Check cloud backups, local exports, and the SIM card now. Once done, sign into the primary account that holds contacts and make sure two-factor authentication is available so you can complete verification without delay. If prompted, request a backup code or use the trusted device. These steps ensure you won't lose momentum and that you can access the recovery tools immediately. Now perform the actual restore. Open the Contacts app or web account, choose Import or Restore, and pick the correct source: Google, iCloud, a vCard file, or the SIM card. Make sure to preview the mapping so names, numbers, and emails align. Mismatched fields create messy entries. Once you start import, monitor progress, and if duplicates appear, use the merge option or exported cleanup tools. This controlled approach prevents data loss and keeps your address book organized. Finish by verifying the restore. Search for several recovered names and test numbers to ensure accuracy. After confirmation, immediately back up the restored list to your cloud account and export a vCard copy so you have redundancy. If contacts are missing, don't panic. Recheck other linked accounts, review device backups from the last 7 to 30 days, and restore an earlier backup if needed. One key tip: if restoration fails, toggle sync off and on. Then force a manual sync to refresh contact data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.